Good morning. I'm getting rigged up to go out here in the bay. See if we can catch some redfish. Okay, now we're out on the water. Let's see if we can catch anything here. It'll be our first time at this place. Got a lot of grassy flats. That's where the redfish are supposed to be. So, we're gonna give it a try. Okay, Jason strikes first for the first redfish. First redfish of the day. Okay. And the struggle continues. Jason has caught 2 small redfish. I've got a few bites, that's been about it. So, still enjoying it though, it's a lot of fun. Anyway, we'll check back with you in a little while. Okay, whatever he had, he lost it. It could have been a big shell cat or jack crevalle. We don't know. So, okay, I'll pick it back up if we hit something. Alright, hold on. Oh, Jason got a nice flounder here. Let me get a little closer to you. Turn around here sideways. All right, nice flounder. Okay, let him go. Catch and release.